In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your social media accounts to Mailchimp and start sending your social posts directly from the platform. If you've ever wanted to manage both your email marketing and social media in one place, this step-by-step guide will help you set everything up quickly and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect your accounts and streamline your workflow, saving time while reaching more of your audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main control center for managing campaigns, audiences, and integrations. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Scroll down until you find the Integrations option and click on it. This section is where Mailchimp allows you to connect with other platforms like social media, e-commerce tools, and more. Once you're inside the Integrations page, you'll see a list of available apps and services. To make things easier, move to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the platform you want to connect. In this example, we'll use Facebook, since it's one of the most commonly used integrations. As you type, Facebook should appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be taken to the Facebook integration page. Here you'll see a Connect button. This is what links your Mailchimp account to your Facebook account. Click on Connect and give it a moment to load. At this point, you may be prompted to log into your Facebook account if you're not already signed in. Enter your login details and continue. Here's an important tip. If you manage multiple Facebook pages, make sure you're logging in with the account that has admin access to the page you want to connect. Otherwise, you might not see the correct page during setup. After logging in, Facebook will ask you to grant permissions. These permissions allow Mailchimp to access your page, manage posts, and share content on your behalf. Go ahead and accept these permissions to continue. Once you've approved everything, the connection will be completed, and your Facebook account will now be linked to Mailchimp. Now you can start creating social posts directly from Mailchimp and publish them to your Facebook page without switching between platforms. This makes it much easier to stay consistent with your content and manage your marketing from one place. You can repeat the same process for other platforms supported by Mailchimp, depending on your needs. And that's it. You've successfully connected your social media account to Mailchimp and are ready to streamline your social posting workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.